Welcome everyone to today's special video. A small mistake can change everything. These challenging driving moments will make you reconsider focus and safety. Miss out, let's get started now. So lucky. The woman was quick enough to react and run to safety as the runaway truck headed toward her. A tense moment, but thankfully she made it out unharmed. The driver likely lost control while turning on the overpass, causing the car to fall onto the sidewalk. While the damage wasn't severe, it's a crucial reminder about traffic safety. A rogue tire on the highway and 9 cars pile up. Are we witnessing a real-life domino effect here? If a truck loses its brakes, the driver should exit the highway as soon as possible instead of waiting until reaching a crowded area. A failed burglary turned into a high-speed chase on a Florida highway. The teen-driven Infiniti hit 2 vehicles, flipped several times, nearly flattened a cyclist as the suspects tried to crawl out. A sports car torn in half, the roof ripped off, and the driver walks away with just a sore back? Was it luck or a miracle? Unplug, Ignite, Run, a 3-step barbecue recipe that turned the Porsche into a grill. Thankfully, only the car got roasted. bus unexpectedly veered onto the tracks, and the barrier pierced the glass, causing panic. Passengers hurriedly climbed out the windows to get to safety. The BMW gently collided with the police car amidst the traffic mess. Luckily, the officer remained safe, as if quietly protected by a watchful force. Truck was like a wild monster on the loose, crashing through cars like cannonballs on a mission. Lucky it didn't take off. Otherwise, it might have ended up a pilot.
भाई साहब अंदर इसमें उस्ताद है आ रहे थे क्योंकि गाड़ी जो बड़ी गाड़ी की चपेट में जब कोई छोटा वाहन आता है।
The crash happened in Santee, California on February 20th when a truck lost control and sparked a major fire on the highway. Misjudged the yellow light and got sideswiped by a pickup, and just like that, the whole convoy joined the party. That BMW was speeding like crazy. Luckily, the ambulance and bystanders arrived in time to help. The moment the rock fell was terrifying. Luckily, it just grazed the car. If it hit directly, the consequences could have been unimaginable. Just 1 second of panic and the car fell from the 4th floor to the ground. Luckily, no one was injured. Truck lost control, crashed straight into a wall, and was just a few meters away from it. The collision between the car and the horse-drawn cart in Romania, luckily no one was injured, just the cart had to retire early. When a slippery road, high speed, and a bit of carelessness come together, the car has no choice but to slide right out of the safe zone. What a rare accident, where beer became the main cause of traffic congestion. Sometimes, when you think everything is going smoothly, a sudden turn can change everything in the blink of an eye. The driver of the stolen bus tried to escape, but the police gave him a lesson on stopping at the right moment.
We've got 2 tires.
The street suddenly turned into a water battle arena. This isn't a water festival, but a tense showdown. The driver ignored the stop sign, resulting in an unwanted collision with a D-Dot bus. The car suddenly turned into an unintentional long jumper. The water landing was definitely not part of the plan. The pickup truck decided to perform a somersault, but the spectators on the sidewalk definitely didn't want to be part of the show. The elderly lady probably didn't expect a fan to follow her every centimeter so closely. The truck tried to contribute an installation artwork to the art studio, but it seems a bit too abstract.
just had a wreck. Look out! Break glass, break glass, break glass. Get out the car! Get out! Get out! Move! Yeah. She's not gonna make it far.
A chaotic and dangerous chase. It's truly fortunate that no one was seriously injured, especially the child in the car.
I know I'm buckled, sir. I know I'm buckled, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Alex, push back to me.
Stop! Stop! I didn't do it!
It won't fit.
The bridge couldn't handle the challenge, but luckily the driver managed to exit the game just in time. A life or death moment captured on camera an intense collision at the Catalpa and Hillcrest intersection. In a life or death moment. 2 trucks went up in flames after a crash, but the drivers managed to escape just in time. When the trailer decides to hug the car in a way no one wanted. A terrifying moment. The car was cruising along when it suddenly vanished, as if it never existed, truly haunting. The pickup truck looks like it took on the job of clearing the barriers without being asked. Welcoming the new year in the worst way, the first encounter of the year, with a wall. A moment of carelessness leads to a tragedy. Just 1 second of distraction can cost you dearly. Always drive carefully. A chaotic moment as the excavator turned the streets of Ankara into a battlefield, sweeping away 11 cars in its fury. When speed turns into a dangerous game, the price to pay is sometimes a race that ended in tragedy. Reversing on the highway, maybe the driver thought they were playing a rewind time mode in the game. Turning the parking lot into a chaotic playground, but this isn't a game everyone wants to play. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.